Welcome to our video about planning and creating goals. It's simple to get caught up in the daily grind in today's fast-paced environment and forget about our long-term ambitions. Goal setting and planning are crucial because they help us focus on our objectives and give a path to achieving them. We'll talk about how important it is to set goals that are precise and clear, make a plan to reach those goals, and keep motivated and on track in this video. We'll also offer advice on how to increase your output and more successfully accomplish your objectives. So join us and let's get started if you're ready to learn more about goal setting and planning. The importance of setting clear and specific goals. The ability to define precise, detailed goals is one of the cornerstones to effective goal setting and planning. Setting ambiguous or broad goals can make it challenging to know what you're working for and make it simple to become distracted or lose motivation. Setting precise, focused goals will help you concentrate your efforts and improve your chances of success. Examples of well-defined goals might include: I want to lose 20 pounds in the next 6 months by exercising at least 3 times a week and eating a balanced diet. I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years by budgeting and cutting expenses. I want to increase my sales by 50% within the next year by attending industry conferences and networking events, and by implementing a new lead generation strategy. In addition to being clear and specific, it's also important to set goals that are SMART, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that your goals should be specific and well-defined, with clear targets and metrics for measuring progress. They should also be achievable, given your current resources and constraints, and relevant to your overall goals and values. Finally, your goals should have a specific timeline for completion, so you know when you're on track and when you need to make adjustments. Creating a plan to achieve your goals. Now that you've set clear and specific goals, it's time to create a plan to achieve those goals. A plan is a roadmap that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your goals, and helps you stay focused and on track. Making a plan involves a number of steps, including: break your goals down into smaller tasks. Your progress toward your goals will be easier to manage and more likely to be achieved if you divide them into smaller activities. For instance, if your objective is to publish a book, you could divide it up into activities like researching your subject, creating an outline, writing a chapter every week, and editing your draft. Set due dates. Making due dates for your projects can keep you motivated and on course. Setting reasonable deadlines that permit you to do your work but also keep you going forward is crucial. Identify resources. Resources should be identified because doing so can help you remain organized and goal-oriented. A timetable for your tasks, a budget for your costs, or assistance from friends and coworkers are a few examples of what this could entail. It's crucial to be both practical and ambitious while coming up with your plan. Your strategy needs to be practical in terms of your current resources and restrictions, but it also needs to be difficult enough to push you and develop you. You can formulate a strategy that is realistic and inspiring by striking the correct balance between these two elements. Tips on maintaining motivation and progress. Achieving your goals requires that you maintain your motivation and focus. It is simple to lose focus and give up when you lose inspiration or become distracted. To achieve your goals, it is crucial to discover techniques to maintain your motivation and attention. Here are some tips for staying motivated. Create rewards for yourself. When you accomplish a goal or finish a task, reward yourself with your favorite delicacy or pastime. This might boost your motivation and give you a sense of accomplishment. Find partners for accountability. Sharing your objectives with a buddy or mentor will help you stay motivated and accountable. It can be easier to keep on track if you have someone to check in with and report your progress to. Track your progress. Being able to see the advancements you have made might inspire you greatly. Use a task management or time monitoring app, a notebook or journal, or another tool to keep track of your work. When pursuing your goals, it's critical to remain motivated as well as flexible and adaptive. Since plans don't always work out as expected, it's critical to have the flexibility to change course when necessary. You may stay motivated and on track even when faced with obstacles or failures by being adaptable and resilient. Thank you for joining us in our video on goal setting and planning. We hope you've learned some useful tips and tricks that will help you be more productive and reach your goals faster. Remember that the key to success is to set clear, specific goals and make a plan for how to reach those goals. Set rewards for yourself, find people who will hold you accountable, and keep track of your progress to keep yourself motivated and on track. And don't forget to be flexible and adaptable. Things don't always go as planned, so be ready to change when you need to. We hope this video was helpful, and we encourage you to take action and start making your own goals and plans. There are a lot of books, courses, and online communities that you can use if you want more help or direction. We hope you succeed in reaching your goals, and we hope you'll watch more videos from us in the future.